So what you're gonna do, look at this. One page of the newspaper fits perfectly. That's wonderful. So the first thing you do is, have you ever wrapped a present or have you always done gift bags with tissue paper?
Gift bag.
Gift bag. So are you watching how I've done this? I've put the gift in the center of the paper. So right on here on this side and the other side, you want to try to make sure it's even. That's right. So then you take a piece of tape and you just tape it. So hold your finger here, and then your other hand, you can put the tape there.
Great.
It takes a little bit of talent to put the tape down, and it goes
Correct.
straight. Yeah.
Correctly.
It takes time, and experience. So a lot of times people will try to do this, and this, and that way of folding it can get really hard. So I discovered a way. I'm gonna do it this way first so the people watching can see it in the camera. So we're gonna fold the two sides in. And what's real important, when you fold in the sides, that you make sure it goes flat against the gift, and then you can crease the paper where it folds. Does that make sense? Now this is getting a little technical, but this is going to be the bottom of the gift where you put the paper to meet. Okay, so you'll flip that over. So you also want to make sure these sides are flipped up towards the back or the bottom. So you go like this, you fold it.
And then you fold it again.
And then you fold it again. That's right. So like this. Isn't that nice? And then here, we're gonna fold this piece. Can you put your finger right here? Yep. It's nice having extra hands. Then we fold the bottom of that one, and I'm gonna take a little quick break and get my tape ready. And we're gonna fold it up like this, and then tape it. Okay, so take the sides, and I use my hands. I just go like this against the box. There you go. Yes. And then drop your hand down and slide it against the bottom part. You're doing it, Becca. That's good. Now do the double fold. It's better to come from the sides like that. There you go. Crease it real good. That's okay. No, that's okay. It is newspaper. That is so good, Becca. And so you want to two pieces with that double fold on the bottom part too. Also. I'll hold it for you while you tape it. So good, Becca. Look at your gift.
This is mom.
And there's your mom. Becca's mother is a realtor. Now we cut out two more pieces of newspaper with pictures that you love. Let's remember, you're going to use your little yarn, and the bow is going to be on top, so it might cover the pretty. You know what I would do? I'd look around the sides and see if maybe you could wrap it around. You like that?
Yes.
Do you like that it says a lasting legacy, or do you want just the flag? Just the flag. Okay. You find a place for that one. Maybe here. It's so good. And what's cool is it says real estate market, and there's your mom, a realtor. So that's kind of neat. You didn't even plan that.
Nope.
That's another God wink.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da-da! This is gonna be so great. Okay, now, this is the part you need to remember about wrapping gifts, is you have to pull enough yarn out, and now you start on the top of the box, and you're gonna go across one way or this way first. It really doesn't matter, but you do like this, and then you flip it over. Now, we're gonna go here, and you take it, you go across like this. You see, they're just kind of like two little cars driving
Parallel.
parallel. Now watch. We're gonna go here and cross it. Did you see how I did that?
So you turn it.
You turn it. Okay. Try that much by yourself. Beautiful. Now, what do you think happens?
Tie it.
You tie it. Good. All right. There you go. Yay! All right. So now what's real? Yep. You can pull it to the side, scoot it over. It's gonna be in the middle. So now, check this out. What I'm gonna do now is this is fun. This is the decorative part, okay? So now I'm gonna measure this about as long as that one. And watch what I do. I take my little piece and cut it the same length. Okay, so there are two pieces about the same. So how fun is this? All right. It's very fun. So look. Oh, look, cute little hairdo. All right. Made or not, I'm holding the little strings. I'm gonna lay them in the middle. You wanna add those? Okay. Now, you're gonna take these two pieces. Voila! Is that fun and zany? Do you like that? Okay. You can use ribbon, of course. We've got beautiful ribbon. But what I like to do is I'll put like greenery, like plants. Check this out. You know how I picked these from my yard today? Just for us to enjoy. We have this. It is strong. I'm going to teach you something really cool about when you pick flowers. You have to be careful. You have to look at the stem and make sure that they're not thorny, don't have any like sticky things. But you go like this, and you barely squeeze the stem and remove the leaves. Woo! Is that satisfying?
It's also fun.
That is fun. Here, there's more for you to do.
It's work that's fun.
It is fun. Okay, get these. You've got a few more. How beautiful those are.
And wet.
And they are wet. Isn't that so pretty? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take two of your little stringy strings, right? And you're gonna tie a knot around them. You tie the knots. Okay, so look, that's not gonna work. So what we have to do, now what you have to do is take another piece. Now we have to go under the entire bow. We went all the way through the bottom of it. Okay? tie it again so it'll really kind of hold it down a little better. Now, see? That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look, Becca, you made a really fun, unique, and unusual package. You should be proud of yourself. Will you do that this season? You can use newspaper for any occasion. Decorate the top, whether it's Christmas or a birthday or just a love gift. Have fun with it. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Bye. Happy holidays.